Was Matt Mitchell right about the great value knockoff Kit Kats? Stay tuned, we'll find out.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, on today's video, we are doing something fun. We watch a guy called Matt Mitchell on YouTube. He's hilarious. He's out of Alabama, and he does all these comparison videos of different candies, like the Great Value version, you know, Walmart's version, compared to the actual version. So what we did, what Jim wanted to do, he wanted to do Kit Kats. And he wanted to see if Matt Mitchell was right, because when he did his, he said the Great Value brand tasted better than the regular Kit Kats. And we kind of wondered if he was right. So we're going to do this in here. Now, disclaimer here, I don't eat a lot of sugar anymore, so I'm going to take like minimal bites, but he's the one that's going to go for it on this one. But yeah, we're going to try this.
All right, so in Matt's video, he compared several Great Value candy bars to their name brand
Counterparts.
Mm-hmm. And every one of them, he said that the name brand was better, except for the knockoff Kit Kat.
He said the regular Kit Kats were not as good as Great Value's knockoff brand. So we're going to put that to the test.
And I know for a fact that over the years, Kit Kat has changed. It tastes a little bit different. And I've heard that the Kit Kats you can buy in Canada are actually better than the ones you can buy in the U.S.
Yeah.
All right, so what do you want to do first?
Let's just go for the good old tried and true Kit Kat.
Okay.
So we're going to open these up. If I can, you know, got to be smarter than the packaging here. Ah, there we go. All right. Kit Kat.
All right. So.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
They smell good. Tastes like a Kit Kat.
Yeah.
Jinx. He owes me a Coke now.
Sugar-free, of course.
After this, definitely.
I mean, Kit Kat, it's a staple. You can't go wrong. But over the years, I want to say the chocolate has changed.
Yeah, and you can tell there's not as much chocolate on the back. I think there's just, in general, there's not as much chocolate on these anymore. But they still taste like Kit Kat to me. So we're going to find out what Great Value is like.
So we have the Great Value Milk Chocolate Crispy Wafer Bars.
Knockoff Kit Kats. Are you looking for Blue's Clues?
I am looking for Blue's Clues.
Alright, so what do they look like to begin with? Let me see them. Okay, they're covered in chocolate solidly on the bottom, so it looks like...
And the chocolate,
automatically, they look like they might have a little bit more chocolate on them. Oh, now I'm getting gooey here.
Yeah. We have the air conditioner off, so the chocolate's
okay,
melting.
they smell funny to me.
It smells like baker's chocolate almost.
Like artificial. Very artificial. I don't
know, I'm starting to question Matt even without trying it.
Cheers. Good luck. Oh, that was a hard no.
Matt, I'm going to have to say you're wrong.
Where'd you get your Great Values? Because these stink, man. Oh. No, thank you. Need some real Kit Kat to wash that down.
Okay, so...
Infinitely better.
In this instance, I would have to say Matt was dead wrong. At least for us.
Maybe you got some really crappy Kit Kats.
I don't know. Maybe... Who knows? Maybe Kit Kat changed after his video.
Those are almost... They almost have like an oily flavor, kind of. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. They're just wrong.
And I will say that when I bought these, I actually bought the knockoff Snickers. And, oh my god, that was horrible. Do not try that. I mean, it was tough. No. Stick with the original Snickers.
Yeah, and I would say Stick with the original Kit Kats. I don't know what's wrong with those, honestly. Did we check the expiration date on them?
Yeah, they're still good till September.
Well, I wouldn't eat those past, now.
Hey, why are you taking my Kit Kat?
No, I was holding it up.
Sure. She was trying to steal my Kit Kat.
I'm going to steal one of these now.
Alright, guys. So, in our opinion, original Kit Kat wins over the Great Value.
This is better. And I've always loved Kit Kats. And yes, they are different than they used to be. I will admit that. The chocolate is not as thick on them. And I don't know, they're just different, but the ingredients change over the years, to get cheaper ingredients to make these things. But those are still way better than whatever Walmart's doing with theirs.
Yeah, I don't know what he was tasting, but it sure wasn't this one that I got from Walmart.
No, these are, I wouldn't say rancid, but it's about a day from rancid, it seems like.
Yeah, I'd say it's an acquired taste, and I don't want
the film in my mouth. I can't get rid of it. Seriously, I gotta get some water.
Alright guys, this was just a little funny video we wanted to do because
we're silly and we want to show that on our channel.
Well, and I was really intrigued after we watched the video that they had something that beat the brand name, and Matt, you're wrong. wrong.
At least with the ones we got, totally wrong. Yeah. Sorry. Oh well.
Alright guys, let us know, have you tried any of the Great Value candies? Now, Great Value...
the knockoff of Kit Kat, the knockoff of Snickers, or the knockoff
Milky
Ways, or they have M&Ms?
No, I don't know. I didn't see any.
But have you tried any of the knockoff Great Value candies? Let us know if you like them or you think that they are better than the originals, because I'm curious. I haven't found, or we haven't found anything that really lives up to the name brand when it comes to candies.
Now, there are some really great generic products out there, and by all means, if you can save money, go ahead and do it.
But don't do it with Little Debbie either. They're wrong.
Yeah.
No, Great Values do not hold up to Little Debbie, so just to let y'all know on that one.
All right, guys, let us know what you think, and we will see you out there.
See you out there. Bye.